Reading a medical report or studying for anatomy class and got totally stuck on this word? Let's lock in how to say inguinal like a medical professional. It looks strange on paper, but the common American medical pronunciation is inguinal. Let's smash it out with three rapid, simple building blocks. Ing, gwin, ol. First syllable, the tail end of a running or jumping action. Ing. Second syllable, a champion or a twin who just managed to win. Gwin. Third syllable, the final sound of a heavy garden shovel. O. Snap them together fast. Ing, gwin, ul. Say it with me. Inguinal. 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 The word inguinal comes from the Latin word inguine, which directly translates to groin. In anatomy and medicine, it describes anything located in the lower abdomen region where your thigh meets your torso. You will hear it most often when doctors reference an inguinal hernia, which happens when internal tissue pushes through a weak spot in these lower abdominal muscles. If this anatomical breakdown saved you from mispronouncing your medical terms, drop a comment with the next word you want to master. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next rapid guide.